about trapezoids, area, and perimeter. I love trapezoids because they're just a little crooked. Kind of like me. I like being a little crooked. So let's look at all of the letters here and make sure we know what they are. First of all, we know A equals area, and this is 1/2 h. That h is this height here. Always look at the picture. Make sure you understand where everything's coming from. Then we have our base 1. And I'm just going to write a sub 1 there. And then our base 2. Okay?
I have a question.
Yes, ma'am. What's your question?
There's no formula for perimeter. What do we do?
Well, if you wanted to find the perimeter, you would add all 4 sides using your finger, of course.
Oh.
Because perimeter, you need your finger. You would add this side plus this side. I'm writing. Plus this side plus this side.
Kind of fun.
That is kind of fun. I made a little bit of a mess over here, but
that's all right.
That would be your perimeter. Okay? But you don't have a formula for it. You just add all 4 sides. Now, if you wanted to find your area, you need your whole hand. Oh, that one does it right. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, that's your area. I just made a big old mess. All righty. Well, let me go to the next screen and try to figure these out. Or am I supposed to figure that one out here?
No.
Okay, good. All righty. So this is the mayor. Looks like a good, responsible guy, huh? And he says, the mayor is proposing 2 plans to build new parks in town. But before the parks can be built, we have to help him find the area of each shape because we're going to need to know how much land we need to build these parks, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write down our formula. So area of a trapezoid is 1/2 height times base 1 plus base 2. Now, can we type all of the different things in the calculator after we label them? Sure, but we're going to use Desmos to its full advantage here. So first of all, let's look. This dotted line right here that has a right angle there and one down at the bottom, that is the height of this trapezoid. Then it doesn't matter which is which. I'm just going to go top to bottom. This base here, which the bases are parallel, okay? This base here, I'm going to call base sub 1. And this base down here, I'm going to call base sub 2, okay? So I'm going to come over here to Desmos, and I'm going to type in that formula. So I'm going to type in 1 divided by 2, click over to the right. I'm going to put in an H. Then I'm going to put in a parentheses. So then I'm going to put in B sub 1. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to type B1. All right? Then we're going to type a plus. Then we have to go back and we're going to type B2. It's magical, isn't it? And then we're going to close those parentheses. So I'm feeling pretty good about how this is working out. So let's start identifying or giving a value to each of those variables. I'm going to start with the height. So I'm going to type H equals, and it says 32. So then I'm going to go to the next one. I'm going to type base sub 1. Then I have to go back, equals, and that would be 45. Then I'm going to go back and do base sub 2 equals 35 yards. And like magic, Desmos does it for you. So your area for this first rendition of a park is 1,280 yards squared. Pretty fancy, huh? Well, we've got another one here, but we've done our work. Now we're just going to plug in values. So we know the height is 18. I'm going to move left to right. This is base sub 1. This is base sub 2. So let's go here and let's change the height to 18. Let's change base sub 1 to 21. And let's change base sub 2 to 15. And lo and behold, Desmos does all of the hard work and we get 324 yards squared. I don't know about you, but this is pretty cool. When I was young, even when Miss Benson was young, which wasn't very long ago, we had to do this by hand.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! So this is awesome. Alrighty, guys. It's all up to you now. We'll see you soon.